This is a Brooklyn-bound A train. The next stop is
Beach.
25th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound C local train. The next stop is 23rd Street.
This is a Bronx-bound B express train. The next stop is
Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center.
This is a Manhattan-bound D train. The next stop is Fordham Road. This is a Manhattan-bound
E
local train. This is a Brooklyn-bound
F.
train. The next stop is
57th Street.
This is a Queens-bound G train via the F line. The next stop is Fort Hamilton Parkway.
This is a Manhattan-bound J local train. The next stop is Fulton Street. This is a Manhattan-bound
L
train. The next stop is New Lots Avenue.
This is a Queens-bound
M
local train. The next stop is
42nd Street, Bryant Park.
This is a Brooklyn-bound
N
express train. The next stop is
57th Street, 7th Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound Q train. The next stop is Parkside Avenue.
This is a Grand Central-bound shuttle. The next and last stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street.
This is a Manhattan-bound V local train. The next stop is Jackson Heights. This is a Brooklyn-bound W express train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound Z local train. The next stop is Canal Street.